Hello, tool enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears, your go-to podcast for all things tools, mechanics, and DIY projects. You're tuning in to our 5th episode. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your tool collection, we've got something for you. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a small but mighty tool, the Stubby Impact Socket by Olsa Tools. Let's dive in. So what's the big deal about Stubby Impact Sockets? If you've ever found yourself working in cramped, tight spaces where a standard socket just won't cut it, then you'll appreciate the design and functionality of these compact powerhouses. First off, let's talk about design. Olsa Tools' Stubby Impact Sockets are crafted from high-strength chrome molybdenum steel. This material is renowned for its durability and ability to withstand high torque, which is crucial when dealing with stubborn fasteners. Precision meets strength to handle almost any job. But the real game changer here is their size. These sockets are significantly shorter than your average impact sockets, making them perfect for accessing fasteners in tight spots. Imagine working inside an engine bay, where space is at a premium. The compact design of these stubby sockets makes them an invaluable addition to your tool arsenal. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of functionality. Stubby impact sockets are designed to be used with impact wrenches, ratchets, and even wrenches. This compatibility means you can deliver high torque with minimal effort. Here's a pro tip. Always pair your impact sockets with the appropriate impact tool. Using regular sockets with an impact wrench can lead to breakage and potential injury. Olsa Tools has engineered these sockets with precision to ensure a perfect fit on your fasteners. This snug fit reduces the risk of rounding off nuts and bolts, a common issue with lower quality tools. The chamfered openings help guide the socket onto the fastener, speeding up your workflow and minimizing frustration. Another standout feature is the laser-etched size markings on each socket. This might seem like a small detail, but when you're in the middle of a job, being able to quickly identify the socket size can save you valuable time. These markings are etched into the metal, ensuring they won't wear off even after prolonged use. Before we move on, I'd love to hear from our listeners. Have you used Stubby Impact Sockets before? What's your experience been like? Drop us a message or leave a comment on our social media channels. Your feedback helps us create better content and understand what tools you love. All right, let's talk about versatility. Stubby Impact Sockets come in both SAE and metric sizes, covering a wide range of applications. Whether you're working on domestic vehicles, imported cars, or even industrial machinery, there's a Stubby Socket Set that fits the bill. This versatility means you don't need multiple socket sets cluttering your workspace. A single set can handle most of your tasks efficiently. As we wrap up today's episode, let's recap the key points. Olsa Tools Stubby Impact Sockets are built tough with high-strength chrome molybdenum steel, designed for tight spaces and compatible with impact wrenches, ratchets, and wrenches. Their precision engineering, laser-etched size markings, and versatility make them an essential tool for any serious mechanic or DIY enthusiast. If you haven't added Stubby Impact Sockets to your toolkit yet, I highly recommend checking out Olsa Tools' range. You'll find that these compact powerhouses can make a significant difference in your workflow and efficiency. Thank you for tuning in to the 5th episode of Grease and Gears. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and follow us on social media for more insights and updates on the best tools in the market. Until next time, keep it cool and greasy.